Prabhas hits and flops budget and collection movie list. Please subscribe the channel. First movie Ishwar in 2002 budget 2 CR collection 3.5 CR semi hit movie. Second movie Raghavendra in 2003 budget 4 CR collection 5.2 CR hit movie. Third movie Varsham in 2004 budget 8 CR collection 35 CR blockbuster. Fourth movie Adavi Ramudu in 2004 budget 10 CR collection 12 CR flop movie. Fifth movie Chakram in 2005 budget 11 CR collection 16 CR flop movie. Sixth movie Chhatrapati in 2005 budget 12.5 CR collection 40 CR blockbuster. Seventh movie Purnami in 2006 budget 10 CR collection 14 CR flop movie. Eighth movie Yogi in 2007 budget 16 CR collection 20 CR flop movie. Ninth movie Munna in 2007 budget 14 CR collection 16 CR flop movie. 10th movie Bujjigadu in 2008 budget 15 CR collection 26 CR semi hit movie. 11th movie Billa in 2009 budget 25 CR collection 36 CR hit movie. 12th movie Ek Niranjan in 2009 budget 26 CR collection 30 CR flop movie. 13th movie Darling in 2010 budget 18 CR collection 37 CR super hit movie. 14th movie Mr. Perfect in 2011 budget 16 CR collection 45 CR super hit movie. 15th movie Rebel in 2012 budget 40 CR collection 55 CR flop movie. 16th movie Mirchi in 2013 budget 35 CR collection 80 CR blockbuster. 17th movie Bahubali in 2015 budget 180 CR collection 650 CR industry hit. 18th movie Bahubali 2 in 2017 budget 250 CR collection 1810 CR all India industry hit. 19th movie Saho in 2019 budget 350 CR collection 439 CR semi hit. 20 movie Radhesham in 2022 budget 350 CR collection 152 CR flop movie. 21st movie Adipurush in 2023 budget 500 CR collection 952 CR hit movie. 22nd movie Salar in 2023 budget 400 CR collection coming soon.